Hi everybody, welcome to cookerisha.com. I am Mrs. Shauma Rupesh. Today I am going to show you how to make Bengal grams curry. It is very simple and very tasty. It needs cooked Bengal grams, chopped onion, turmeric powder, chili powder, meat masala powder, oil, ginger garlic paste, salt, coconut milk, curry leaves, green chilies. So now we can start to make Bengal grams curry. First we can on the gas, then keep skillet or frying pan. I am keeping frying pan. Wait till the frying pan became hot. Then pour little oil. This is 2 cups of cooked Bengal grams. For 2 cups of cooked Bengal grams, we need 1 cup of chopped onion. Stir it properly. When the onion becomes brown only, we should put the other ingredients. Now the onion became brown in color. Then we can add ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, nice smell is coming. Then we can add green chili. Green chili, only 2 green chilies are enough. Then curry leaves. Curry leaves, I think 1 stick is enough. Just put. Then stir it again. Now this appearance is also very nice because green, brown, everything is there, no? Then white, very good to see. Then turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, little bit is enough. Turmeric powder. Then chili powder, red chili powder. Red chili powder we need 1.5 spoon. 1.5 spoon we need. For 2 cups of cooked Bengal grams we need 2 spoons of red chili powder. Then meat masala powder. Meat masala powder, half teaspoon is enough. After putting this masala powder, we should stir it properly and that smell should go. That masala smell is there, no, that should go. We should wait until to go that smell. It's okay. Then we can pour this Bengal grams, this cooked Bengal grams. Then salt to taste. After putting the salt, we can pour little coconut milk. It gives us very delicious, see, very easy Now Bengal grams curry is ready. Then one thing I want to tell you, before cooking these Bengal grams, we should keep this Bengal gram in the water at least 9 hours. Then we should cook the Bengal grams and then we can make it. These Bengal grams curry we can eat with appam, puttu and rice, etc. Very simple and very tasty. For searching more delicious recipes, please visit cookeryshow.com. Thank you very much.